Hey y'all, it's your girl Chef Kyra and welcome back to another episode of New York Eats. Welcome to my food channel where we talk about everything nice, sugar and spice, baby. So I know one of the weeks that I was lacking and slacking and I didn't give you guys a video. And this week I've been kind of busy and been having a lot of stuff going on in my personal life that I've been trying to set up and been focusing on. But that doesn't mean that you guys still don't deserve great quality content. So for today's video, or for this week's video, I'm just gonna give you guys something simple, easy to do. It's just gonna be like a family recipe, or just how me and my family fry chicken, like the simplest way. I do have a bougie way of frying chicken, but we're not doing that for this episode. So this is gonna be simple, quick. I'm just trying to put something together, and I just wanted to give you guys something to have for this week. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
trust me.